GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Applications Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today in our applications lab, we're going to go over how to print a special effects print geared towards Halloween. We're going to be using Avient Infinite Effects Puff Base, followed by Avient Infinite Effects Fashion Soft Base, of which we added glitter particles to. For this print is going to be a 110 mesh that we coated with Kiwo thick coat of emulsion, and we coated it 2 and 2, and that's going to yield us about a 50 micron stencil. We're going to use a 60 durometer squeegee. We mixed 5% of Wilflex Epic Dolphin Orange into our Avient Infinite Effects puff base. We're going to do a double print stroke, we're going to flash it, and we're going to follow it up with our glitter. When flashing our new puff base, we want to flash it at 220 degrees for right about 4 seconds, just enough to gel the ink. That way the new puff base doesn't expand. After the flash, our new puff base is just slightly gelled so it's dry to the touch, and we'll go ahead and lay our Fashion Soft base and glitter on top of it. For our glitter screen, we're using a 60 mesh. We're going to use a 65 durometer squeegee. We added 30% of dry glitter flake into our Fashion Soft base, and we're going to do a double print stroke. Here's our shirt after we applied the glitter for the last screen. We're going to cure this at 320 degrees, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out of the dryer. And there you have it, another great print technique and a really good idea coming towards the Halloween holiday season, using Avient Infinite Effects Fashion Soft base and new puff base, adding a little bit of dry glitter particle to it. It's a real simple 2-screen, 1-color print, and it's another way to grow your business and stay ahead of the competition. For more tips on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.